All right, welcome back to another episode of Kessen Lessons. Brief plug and commercial for my group here. If you would like personalized instruction and to be part of a awesome group that is always looking for a few good men, please come or women. Please come check it out. We're New Order Rebel. We're actually a family of squads, and if you go into the featured squads group and type in New Order Dash, you will see all of our buddies and pals here. So, we have a top three here are all us as well as these ones here. And if I'm not mistaken, we have some Imperial squads as well. So if you're looking for a good group of guys to link up with or a good group of folks to link up with, that is us. So, subject today is going to continue to be Kesson lessons. Right now we're on Air Kit. There is a contest type thing going on Air Kit, so we want to try and get some points to keep upping the level that we have of Kessen. And we're looking. Still looking. What we're looking for is somebody that has either good loot or a bunch of points for the current contest that is current race war thing that is going on. Sorry, that's two separate words: race slash war, not race war. um, and part of the challenge of Air Kit is that it is a little bit tough to find like a equally matched opponent. Most times, if you're a level like 7 or higher, you'll find a lot of people that are way below you, and a bunch of people that are like way above you. So let's take a look at these guys. If you notice, I'm not seeing a Deca. I'm going to see the platform here. So somebody must have come and blown this guy away. But he's got 500 points, and we're going to take him. So put down the sweeper, and then we got to cover the stuff on the sides. He's got very few mines laid out for us, which is good. All right, so we got that going. And Kessen, again, when there's no deca or units on there, he'll just aggro on whatever the closest building is. Which right now is this guy right here. And once that's gone, he'll probably go to this thing right here. And what we want to do is wait until he aggroes on one of these little guys right here. So what I did was I purposely put the Banthas out and aggroed the squad center. There wasn't much in it because it's a little squad center. But we're going to go ahead and run it over now. And sometimes I guess we get lucky and find a littler opponents where you don't need to work terribly hard for it. Putting the ATRTs out. Again, that little shot that you just saw that just went over here was something that like slows down the turrets a little bit on the enemy team. By which I mean, just kind of decreases the damage that they do. Alright, and just kind of cleaning stuff up at this point. Checking the edges with a couple seconds left to make sure that we ain't got no problems. Dropping the healers here. And actually, this is something that I missed before. I did not see the Deca oppressor platform. If you notice from before in the video, you probably take a few seconds and go back. There was another one right here, but that was for the regular Deca non-oppressor. And then this guy, the little bigger, we went for the Deca, what do you call it? I guess the Sentinel. All right, so we did okay on that. Definitely have done better. Should have deployed my squad center a little earlier. And what we did previously was I had a couple guys asking for some squad donations. So what I had been doing is I had them already queued up in here so that when I get back, they're already cooking. If you've ever used a crock pot at your house, you know what you do is you put in all the ingredients before you go to work, and then you go to work and you come back and there's a meal there. Same concept, but instead of a crock pot and food, well, obviously it's Star Wars. So anyway, keep it real. If you got questions, concerns, comments, things like that, you want to tell me I'm a scrub, leave it all in the comment section down at the bottom of your screen there. I do use Discord if you see that, and I also use line chat, and you can always stop in and say hello. At our squad here, we'd be glad to chat and hang out with you. All right, appreciate it, guys. Have a good day.